Quickly, I'm going to show you how to find the fuse and relay box on a Mitsubishi Outlander. This is a 2019, so first thing you're going to do is come down on the driver's side and on the floorboard where your left foot would be onto the side here. You're going to see this. You'll pull. That releases the hood. Next, you're going to open up the hood. And once you've gotten into the hood, on the right side here, here's the battery, and then here's this cover. You're going to open this cover. You're going to see a little tab in the front. You're going to actually grab that tab. It looks like you push it, but you're going to pull it towards you. Use your pointer finger to lift up, and that will lift up that cover. Once you get that cover up, there are your fuses and relays, what you're looking for. And on the bottom, you're going to see a diagram of what everything is, as well as there's 3 spare fuses. You should be able to see if one of your fuses are out. They're usually pretty easy to see if they're blown. You can switch relays, so if you know the rear blower is working, you can switch that, say, for something else if it's the same size relay. Hopefully this helps you find your relay and you can figure out what you're looking for. To get this put back on, we're simply going to put it there. We want to hear it click in the back. We also want to hear it click in the front. And then that way we know it's secure and no dust or debris is going to get in there. Hopefully this helps you get into your fuse and relay box and you can figure out any problem you're trying to diagnose. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.